Today, in the time of vulnerability, monetary security and the speed of exchanges are crucial for the development of economies, and all taking out the job of delegates, a consequence of hard and perfect work. Before we start with an itemized torrential slide cost forecast, we should plunge into the coin's outline. With this sort of vigorous blockchain innovation, the torrential slide network will go about as a huge power promoter demonstrating progressive in the realm of installment. As an impetus to empower quick-fire exchanges in the worldwide installment environment, torrential slide will carry extremist change to fun. The torrential slide biological system is completely viable with Ethereum resources, applications, and apparatuses with quicker speeds, higher throughput orders, and lower charges. It is an umbrella stage for sending off DeFi applications, resources, exchanging, and different administrations for blockchain designers. It permits anybody to send off or exchange any type of resource and control it a decentralized way utilizing shrewd agreements and other trend-setting innovation. An urgent contrast between torrential slide blockchain and other blockchain stages is its administration system. Marking rewards are dependent upon dynamic changes as the framework develops. No big surprise, the consistently dynamic group of qualified mathematicians and cryptographers is creating and keeping up with the torrential slide digital money, arising as an incredibly powerful and energetic power. Avax will be the pick and selection of merchants, particularly on the grounds that it has gone the distance. Likewise, financial backers have found an element of unwavering quality implanted in this token. The badge of Avax capabilities as a prizes and installment framework for clients, being recorded on prominent computerized cash trades like Coinbase and Binance. Avax offers its dealers a protected and reliable stage, empowering lesser expenses and a plenty of advanced resources for single out from. Torrential slide stage has additionally marked a settlement with numerous biological systems like Chainlink, Bilira, and so forth, taking its forceful innovative drives to a higher level. The essential objective behind organizations is to fabricate a compassionate local area around the world, consequently making an equivalent, manageable, and decentralized world. Aside from these discussions, Avax has made further improvements in its organization and its acknowledgement all over the planet. On June 10, 2022, Japan's top crypto trade OKCoin recorded Avax. Brokers and financial backers are good to go for the recipe erase end of the week. Aside from this, the torrential slide establishment has additionally sent off Multiverse. This new motivation program will uphold new biological systems, NFTs, DeFi, as well as institutional use cases. Adding to this rundown, Kalau has additionally held hands with Avax to fabricate items for NFT dealers and makers. This will assist them with encountering NFTs in new frictionless and easy ways. Finally, one of the greatest incorporation is that of Chainlink attendance and Chainlink YRF coordinating with the essential torrential slide organization. This coordination will be really beneficial for the token as it will lessen the responsibility and improve the uptime and security of the brilliant agreements. The ongoing cost of a Avax is $16.98, with a market capitalization of $5,533,107,200. The 24 hours exchanging volume of the Avax token is $136,543,245, with a circling supply of 325,947,737 Avax on the lookout. Avax digital money is enormously dependent on decentralized applications remaining in front of other state-of-the-art advancements and the current decentralized blockchain networks. The torrential slide figure is simply subject to cryptographic money market development. A blast time for torrential slide drives the value figure to remain legitimate on this record before very long. Torrential slide value expectation 2023 in view of our torrential slide cost forecast for the approaching year. The Avax coin might have least and most extreme costs of $15.01 and $36.46. Separately, the adjustment of the cost is supposed to be over 140%, with a typical cost of $25.74. Avax value forecast 2024 as per torrential slide cost expectation. It is assessed that the coin exchange between the scope of $30.76 to $44.28, where $30.76 is the base exchanging cost and $44.28 is the greatest cost, simultaneously. There are a couple of suppositions that the Avax coin might have a typical cost of $37.52. AVAX Value Forecast 2025. The torrential slide coin is supposed to have least and greatest costs of around $41.50 and $59.74 individually, according to our AVAX Cost Expectation 2025. While the typical cost may be $50.62, with a rate change of around 40%. Torrential slide coin value expectation 2026. According to our AVAX cost expectation, the coin might have a typical exchanging cost of $63.71, with a base and most extreme cost of $52.23 and $75.19 individually for the year 2026. The unpredictability of the torrential slide cost is supposed to be very less, according to our cost forecast. While the typical exchanging cost of torrential slide might be $78.48. AVAX expectation 2028. Our AVAX cost estimate for the year 2028 recommends that the coin's typical cost might be $94.79, while the base and greatest costs might be around $77.71 and $111.87. Separately, simultaneously, the torrential slide specialized examination uncovers that the rate change might be half. AVAX coin value expectation 2029. From our AVAX cost expectation, we can presume that the coin's cost might exchange at a normal of $116.44 for the year 2029, while the least and most exorbitant cost of the AVAX token for the year might be $95.46 and $137.42 individually. AVAX value expectation 2030. By 2030, our torrential slide cost gauge shows that the likely high of the coin might be $170.69, with a possible low of $118.57 in the crypto market. The point-by-point torrential slide cost investigation uncovers the typical worth to be somewhere near $144.63. The market feelings administer cryptographic forms of money. Thus, AVAX is no special case, in light of verifiable information and specialized examination. There are many hypotheses proceeding for the torrential slide coin. All specialists have different torrential slide expectations to make through and through. In view of a VAX cost conjecture, a drawn-out increment isn't normal. The cost visualization for long-term end is $6.14. They accept that your ongoing speculation might be cheapened from here on out. The torrential slide cost expectation brings expect merging patterns that point towards the way that there is potential for the AVAX value that might show a higher opinion. The cost could cross $82.19 toward 1 year's end. Toward the start of 2023, the torrential slide cost was around $10.90. The ongoing cost of a VAX is $16.95, which shows that the cost has been expanded. The determined torrential slide cost toward the finish of 2025 is $40.04. And the year-to-year change will be around plus 136%. The torrential slide cost is anticipated to reach $20.39 by the start of July 2020.